Welcome back to my channel. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. All information about the kind of tools, could be found in the description of this video tutorial. You can choose your favorite color of yarn and grab your crochet hook. In this video you will see how to work with amazing and cute flowers. Let's get started crocheting. Let's make the flower. Make a chain of 6 for the foundation ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue and join the chain and round by making slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Work into the ring. Make 12 single crochet into the ring. Make a chain. I will not use it. Make 12 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. As you can see, I removed a long piece of yarn while making these stitches. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make slip stitch. My round 1 is ready. Let's crochet round 2. For the next round, make chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, make double crochet. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook, make a cluster made of 2 double crochet. Make the first double crochet not finish, make the second one and pull through. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a cluster 1 and 2 and pull through. 1, 2, 3, and make a cluster through the next stitch. 1, 2, and pull through. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. I chain at the last one and I'm about to complete this round. Insert the hook into the top of this cluster, make a slip stitch. Round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. Work into the chain space, make slip stitch, chain of 2. To bring up the yarn, yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the chain space. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook, make double crochet 2 together. 1, 2, and pull through. Then chain of 2, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet, chain of 2, yarn over the hook and double crochet 2 together. 1, 2, and pull through. Then chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and double crochet 2 together. 1, 2, pull through. 1, 2, and single crochet into the next chain space. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I'm about to complete round 3. Insert the hook into the top of my stitches. Make a slip stitch. Round is ready. Let's crochet the last round of my flower. It is going to be a round of puff stitches. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make slip stitch. Chain of 2. Make puff stitch made of 7 strings. For this, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space and pull up a loop to the level of the chain. This is the first string. 2. I hold all loops with my finger. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain, pull it, continue, then make a chain and pull it, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make single crochet, then chain of 3 for the picot. Insert the hook into 2 loops, make a slip stitch, and my picot is ready. I am done. Picot on the top of the single crochet. In total it should be 5 of them. First one is ready. Then make single crochet and chain of 3 for the picot. In total it should be 5 of them. Then single crochet and picot. This is the third time. Then make single crochet and picot. 4, and 5. Here what I have at this point. Continue. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make a slip stitch. Then make chain of 2. 1, 2, and make slip stitch into the chain space. Let's stop and look. Here what I have at this point. I'm done puff stitch with single crochet and picots. So I will make one more into the same chain space. So I will repeat one more time. Let's do it together. Make chain of 2, yarn over the hook and make puff stitch. Make 7 strings. 1. I hold all loops with my finger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain. Continue, make a chain more. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. It could be like a chain space. Make single crochet with picot 5 times. And picot 2 and picot, 3 and picot, 4 and chain of 3 for the picot, and work with a slip stitch into the loops of the single crochet and make the 5th single crochet and picot. Make a slip stitch, then chain of 2 and make a slip stitch into the next chain space. I stop at this point, so I am done 2 stitches with single crochet and picots. I continue working on this round, work into the next chain space, make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, make 2 single crochet into the next chain space, so 1 and 2, work into the chain space, make slip stitch, chain of 2, and let's make the puff stitch. I'm making 2 puff stitches into the each chain space, like this one. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I'm about to complete this round. I'm done all my petals. And now I show you how to complete this flower with me. Once I have done the last single crochet, there is my slip stitch that I did into the chain space. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch to secure the yarn by making a chain. I already cut off my yarn and pull it, and my round is ready and my flower is done. You should remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work. And let's stop and look what I have done. So my project is ready. Here how it looks. For more beautiful look, I made exact flower but using 2 colors of yarn. For the petals, I used puff stitches and single crochet with picot. Before continue, I would say thank you all my sponsors of my channel, and also thank you so much for watching all my video tutorials. So as I told you before, for this flower I used 2 colors of yarn. In your case it could be 1 color of yarn or variegated yarn. Please don't be afraid to experiment. Please use your imagination and add some additional stitches on or add a bead to the center of this flower and you will get amazing your personal project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. If you don't know how to work with basic stitches, please visit my channel and find tutorials for beginners. Bye!